Okay, this is a book called Stand Back, said the elephant. I'm going to sneeze. You ready? Joe, I don't need to tell you. Stand back, said the elephant. I'm going to sneeze. I hate to alarm you, but I don't wish to harm you. My friends, I fear. It's clear. Oh dear, you better stand back. I'm going to sneeze. Oh no, cried the buffalo. You're so big and strong, and your trunk is so long. Your sneezes send everyone flying along, bumping and thumping down pathway and trail, bouncing and jouncing head over tail. Tumbling and bumbling, your sneeze is a gale, or a hurricane. I hate to complain, but please, don't sneeze. See, it's a buffalo.
A buffalo? That's a buffalo?
That's right.
A buffalo.
What are these?
Monkeys.
That's right. No, please, don't sneeze, cried the monkeys in the trees. You make such a breeze when you sneeze. The last time you blew us right out of the trees. The branches began to bend and to sway, and some of us landed so far away, we didn't get back until the very next day. The leaves all went whirling and tumbling and swirling, and the flowers shook for hours. The last time you sneezed, even a cough would knock some of us off. Oh, please, do not sneeze. That's right. With a shriek, the parrot opened his beak. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. Ah! Go for it. Dana, I want you on the bed. And Joey, I want you to move over. Joey, get over. Thank you. Perfect. Oh, elephant, please, cried the birds in the trees. The last time you sneezed, we lost every feather. We didn't know whether we'd ever get back together. Every parakeet was bare as a sheet from his head to his feet. What's more, all the whales had peacocks' tails, and the wings of a cockatoo were stuck in the kangaroo. You must confess it was quite a mess, very confusing and not too amusing. Even a snuffle makes our feathers ruffle. Oh, please, don't sneeze. Joey, do you want to listen to the rest of this? Yeah. Okay, then I need you to stop doing that, okay? All right, thank you. Fly, fly, called the birds to the bees. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. Oh, no, buzzed the bees. Not a sneeze, not a sneeze. The last time he blew off our stings and our wings, and we had to make do with rose thorns and glue. Furthermore, what a shock. We all had to walk on our knees, if you please, and that's hard on a bee's knees, while our wings grew back in. What a sin. Oh, please, don't sneeze.
Did the bee say that?
That's right.
Oh, it did. It said that.
What's that?
The bear!
That's right. Beware, beware, called the bees to the bear. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. Oh, please, not a sneeze, said the bear. That's not fair, I declare. The last time he sneezed, he blew off all my hair and left me so bare. I spent the whole winter in long underwear. Nothing so sad as a bear that is bare. The poor giraffe, don't laugh, almost bent in half. And the alligator's snout was turned inside out. The last time he sneezed, a sniff, sniff, or a snuff is bad enough, but a sneeze, oh please, don't sneeze.
He spilled his honey.
That's right. Do I look like I'm laughing? I don't suppose you could hold your nose or wait a while, asked the crocodile, with a sad little smile. Oh my, don't try, said the fly. We wish, said the fish, you would if you could. The last time you blew off all of our scales from our heads to our tails, and our gills got the chills. Our skin is so thin, if you do it again, we'll freeze. Oh, please don't sneeze.
Look at the fish.
Sit up.
They
No
look
more.
so sad.
Zebra yell, yipes. You'll blow off my stripes, plus lots and lots of leopard spots, and all of the snakes will be tied up in knots. The hippopotamus said a lot of us will fall right on our bottomus if you sneeze, so please don't sneeze.
Let's get the cheetah. Is that a cheetah or
It's a leopard.
Lion? Oh.
I'm sorry, my friends, said the elephant sadly. About all of this, I do feel badly. If I could, I would keep from sneezing. I'd do it gladly. But I have such a twitch in my trunk and an itch, plus a bit of a tickle and even a prickle. And Joey, get down before I bang your head into a nickel. You must run and fly and hop. I'm afraid I can't stop. I would if I could, but there's nothing to do. Ha 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 ha!
Choo!
Boo! Shouted the little gray mouse, jumping out of his house. He stood right up on his little tiptoes, stuck out his tongue, and wiggled his nose. Eek! Shouted the elephant, jumping in the air. That's a mouse! A mouse is standing right there! I must hide in a tree before he gets me, or jump in the lake for goodness sake. Please don't scare me. Please spare me. The mouse laughed. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Now what could I do? A little thing like me to a big thing like you. I only wanted to give you a scare, and it worked as sure as you're standing right there. Elephant, think about it, please. You completely forgot how to sneeze. Well, what do you know? Laughed the elephant. It's astounding, confounding, as I live and I breathe. I don't think I really have to sneeze. He began to giggle. Hee hee hee. That's the funniest thing that's ever happened to me. Ha ha ha, ho ho ho. The elephant shook from his head to his toe. He ho-hoed and ha-ha'd and giggled and waffled and chortled and chuckled until his knees buckled.
Did he knock down himself?
I don't know.
I think he did.
Let's have a look. I think this is going to be the last 2 pages. He sat down and rolled from side to side. In fact, the elephant laughed so hard he cried. He laughed till the ground was shivering and shaking, and all of the trees were quivering and quaking. The monkeys came tumbling out of the trees, and the stings fell off of every one of the bees. The birds' feathers went flying to goodness knows where. And all of the hair fell off of the bear. The giraffe bent in half, and the alligator's snout turned inside out. The fish lost their scales from their heads to their tails. The zebra yelled, yipes! There go my stripes! While the hippo went thump right on his plump you-know-what. And into a puddle the mouse went kerplop. Then he sat up and shouted, this simply must stop. We're terribly glad you don't have to sneeze, but if you must laugh, laugh softly, elephant, oh please. And that's it.
She made a heart.
I'll get water later. Twinkle. You want to sing Twinkle, Twinkle? Or twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. What's next? It's the best spider went up the water spout. Down came the... Tita Elsa is watching.
Tita Elsa.
Yep, say hi.
Hi, Tita Elsa.
You want to sing Kudu-Ku for her? Sing dong, dong, dong. Come up. Papalo's watching.
Yay! Tita watching!
I love you. You love me. I love you. Dana and Joe, come with me. And I'll say, I love you more every day. Sing the I love you song for Papalo. And your turn, Joey. Hurry up. Come on, Joe. All right. Let's say goodnight to everybody. We love you. Bye. Time for bed. No, not right now, but maybe later.